I just finished my last treatment. I'm happy. And I don't need your love though, but I'll call you if I'm ready. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be an update on Life on Standby, my cancer series. So it has been 4 months since my last treatment. My last treatment was in... I just finished my last treatment of chemo. And today is June the 26th, 2024. I'm happy and I'm blessed. I'm grateful and I'm humble. It's been a long journey, but I can't say that it's been easy. It's been rough. I done had a lot of days where I've been tired. Right now, I'm just sluggish. I'm trying to get back to myself. And I will get back to myself. But I'm grateful. I am very, very grateful. And I'm happy. These are tears of joy. I'm grateful. Thank you, Jesus. I'm grateful. June. We're going to discuss some of the side effects that I had going on, but we're going to get into how many treatments of radiation and how the surgery went. I had surgery on November the 15th, 2023. And 4 weeks, I want to say 4 weeks before that, I was able to go out the country and have a vacation. So I had time to let the chemo out my system and then have surgery. Then after surgery, you have about 4 weeks to heal, and then you start radiation. So with the radiation, it was for 6 weeks, and I started on December the 15th, 2024. I didn't complete it until February the 28th, 2024. In between, it was 31 days of radiation. That's what I had. And I finished radiation on February the 28th, as I just stated. So let's talk about the chemo side effects. With the chemo, I did have a lot of side effects this time. It was different from 20-something years ago when I had the treatment before. Last time I had nausea really bad. I had the hair falling out. I did get ulcers in my mouth due to eating some spicy food, and I was tired after radiation. Other than that, I didn't have too much of I did have a skin burn on my breast. So that was then, and this is now. So now I have, from the chemo, I did lose the hair. I wind up having neutropenia, which is where your white blood count be very, very low, so your immune system is very, very low, which causes you to be real tired. So that explains some of the tiredness that I had in my previous videos, as well as one day I just wanted to sleep. I think I talked about that before. So that explains that. And during radiation, I wind up having COVID. So that explains me getting COVID in between that time. That's why the time stamp is not completely 31 days, but I did have 31 days of treatment. So with the low immune system, you can catch everything. That's just like a baby. Your body is immune to. You can't be around certain people. You don't want to be around certain people. So it was time to really mask up and everything. But I caught COVID. My husband wound up getting COVID from his job, and then it brought it into the home. So that was that with the chemo. And also with the chemo, I did wind up having neuropathy, where I have neuropathy in my feet and my hands. My hands feels like they are tingling like when you touch something, it's like it's sore, and they're tingly all the time. They're very, very sensitive. And far as my feet feels as though you're walking on a Brillo pad sometimes, or you're walking on a sponge and you get the little pushing and sensation in the back of my heel is fine. It's just the front of my feet by my toes and everything, which causes you to have like those black fingernails and stuff like that, because my nails were black from the chemo as well. So that was the issue with that. So with the neuropathy, I am on medication for that. They don't know how long it will be before it gets better. You just have to continue to take the medication for the pain and get through the day, as well as the chemo. Another side effect that I did wind up having later, that they noticed that I was having thyroid issues. It is August the 7th. I'm on my way to see my oncologist to see how things are going, what's up with my thyroid levels. I am very excited about this appointment. I am very tired this morning. I look tired, but that's okay. Okay, just left the doctor and everything was fine. My thyroid levels is still high, so we had to take some blood. They took it from the port, which was fine with me, but they had a lady that couldn't stick, but that's okay. But so we gotta wait till the labs come back and see if they're gonna change the medication that I'm on for my thyroid levels. That explains why I've been so tired. So after the doctor's appointment, I decided to stop by Walgreens to get some supplements to help with my thyroid issue by being sluggish. So I decided to pick up some things for twin as well. I picked up the Centrum for men, 50 plus, and I also picked up some Geritol multivitamins. You can't go wrong with Geritol. I find that these give me a lot of more energy than the regular vitamins. And I got some B12 to take once a week. They placed me on some medication for the thyroid, which can play a lot of factor with a lot of your mood swings, hair growth, because I noticed my hair was growing and then all of a sudden it stopped, but it's okay. So that's what I'm going through now. The side effects that I'm going through now, living with day by day, is the neuropathy and the thyroid issues. For as radiation this time, I was burned on my side, but not bad. But my back, at the shoulder where the breast is, it was horrible. It was horrible. And you use Aquaphor to put on it. It's a thicker substance, so it works. But now I find that if I don't keep it moisturized, that it's like a dandruff, if you want to say. It gives off like a dandruff when I take off my shirt or stuff like that. So you feel it, you see it. So I try to keep myself moisturized. I use a moisturizing body wash as well as a lotion that I put on after I take a shower or take a bath. But other than that, everything went well. Everything is going fine. I'm learning to live day by day. I used to live day by day before, and learning to enjoy the moment and not look forward to something that I know I cannot change. You know, when you have a health illness like this and it comes back like this, they have people in my family that had it more than once, and it came back and it came back, and next time it come back aggressive. And that was the case with my cancer. This time it came back, it was very aggressive. I am happy to be a survivor. I am very grateful. But I can say this, that this time it took a toll. It took a toll. It came by surprise, of course. But I am happy that I'm still here. I just have to learn to live with the side effects, that's all. And go day by day, live day by day. Try to enjoy my days instead of worrying about what's going to happen or worrying about down the line. because you cannot predict what's going to happen down the line. So that is my update on my life on standby, my Cancer series. I am, like I told you before, I'm blessed. I am humble. I am very, very grateful to be here. So if you enjoyed my series, leave me some comments in the comments below. Leave me some encouraging words or some things that you are doing to overcome some illnesses that you may have. Even if it's something simple that you're dealing with. You know, it ain't got to be nothing major or anything like that, but I am grateful for the ones who have watched my videos. I am grateful to the ones who have subscribed to my channel within this time. And please look forward to some more vlogs. I have some weekend vibes vlogs coming up, and also some beauty videos that will be coming up shortly as well. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and get notified when I upload a new video. And I thank you for watching, and have a great day.